Hello guys, comment nou jeudi a mwen vini back avec yon lot video. Video jeudi a se yon ti vlog. Okay? So mbalde kek bagay. Se nou pat konen go maladi deyo a. For tout prepare paske ni kek bagay kap feme. So just wale nan store la mwen achete kek bagay ou dlo. So yeah guys, so make sure nou pren prekosyon deyo a. You know, so achete bagay ki nou biye bezwen pou nou mette nan kay la paske nou ba jam konen paske tout bagay komanse ap feme, même l'école ap feme. So yeah guys, so pou konya ba yo avon konya la. So yeah, so sa mbal fe la. So mbale nan store mbal achete kek bagay. So yeah, so that's why I'm deside fè ti vlog sa pou mwen moutre nou. Okay, so an ale avek mwen. Okay. How do you get over there? I'm confused.
Only cars can pass it.
It's a lot of people there though.
A lot of people.
Everybody's wearing masks. Damn, yo. Everybody is wearing masks.
No, they're not. Only those two people are wearing masks. They're wearing masks, so they're sick. I mean, is the mask not safe? No, it's not. That's not how they do that.
Ma, when you... Alright.
Yes.
Yeah, so guys, by the way, mwen avek ti fem nan, they have him, okay? So, lò rive an de dan, make sure pa mwen bagay an dan, ade?
Okay.
You make sure you be, fè atensyon.
What?
Fè atensyon, pa mwen oken bagay an de dan.
What?
Put that in your,
What does that mean, pay attention?
Be careful, ma.
Oh.
Don't touch dirty stuff.
It's in the pocket.
Mette in the packet too, yeah. Get this. Get this. Took well there.
It was really hot, right?
It really hot, but they also the
A little bit cold.
yeah.
Like. There's a fun.
Exit only, exit only, enter on the side.
Oh, they do have. Oh no.
Enter on the side, exit only here. Exit only. Exit only.
Kaman pa mwen kin bagay. Make sure ou pa kole an kin bagay.
That's coming out there.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
No water at all?
That is it. Thank you. Nere ba gen dlo. Nere ba talo.
Let me do it. You don't know how to do it, do you? Let me do it.
Come back on him, okay?
Let me do it. You just say it was not that good.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Please vin la pou d'lo, but mba konen ka pa gen d'lo, mda de yo di deyo a, pa gen d'lo. So mwa gade pou mwen. Ma, ki sa bezwen la?
Huh?
Ki sa bezwen la?
I don't know, some clothes, I guess.
Some
and
clothes.
some shoes.
Some shoes.
And some laptops.
Laptop.
Just give me the laptops. I don't want nothing else. Just
Non,
the
si vous
laptops.
fait bon l'école. Pour like to get a laptop.
So I'm gonna wait a whole month.
Be careful.
So I'm gonna wait a whole month to get that laptop, and that's when my report card is coming.
Yes, well, the can have any, like if you deserve a laptop, so there's a laptop or no laptop.
You're not even gonna buy me nothing. Well, you still haven't heard from me on that thing.
What thing?
You didn't help me go into the Google Classroom and join. I didn't join yet. On home computer. Totally forgot, did I know?
So yeah guys, so now at I'm well check my kisa mga join and my moutre, okay? Yes. Kisa na bon color. Yeah. Ok, so nou jen wè la, mse l'achete sa yo.
Yeah!
So, sa nou te plis bezon yon, se d'lo. Men pa gen d'lo.
No problem, I'm not store.
Yeah, nou wale nan lo store. Pou nan l'achete d'lo. Paske d'lo mte wè yon ba ame d'lo yo, ok? So, rete bon chek. Pou lot store. Pa gen d'lo. M'achete, m'bakon yon combien store. M'pase. Telman pa gen d'lo. Nan la, non store m'brale la anko. Pa gen d'lo, guys. We're gonna miss the d'lo. Pa gen d'lo pou moun boy. Pa gen d'lo.